Hi, Norm Orlesky here for Onstage Publications and our highly acclaimed Audience Access, the simplest digital program book you'll ever use. We're hearing all kinds of great comments every single day from Audience Access users. Here's an example of another great comment from the Fort Collins Symphony Orchestra. Audience Access has quickly replaced our paper programs and even allowed for more interaction with our audiences than the paper programs ever did. We've taken donations, we've linked directly to our advertisers' websites and landing pages, and allowed patrons to purchase tickets for future concerts, all while they're sitting in the hall. Remember, Audience Access is mobile ready with no clunky apps, no downloads, no PDFs, and no page turns. Find out why your peers are calling Audience Access genius, pure genius. Go to this link, get started today, and sleep well tonight.